What's going on, everybody? Today I bring you a 2001 Lexus GS300, and this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the GS. Start it up, show the engine, as well as show a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior, and give some of the performance data. And today I'm at my family's dealership, Car Connections Incorporated in Reidsville, North Carolina. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. Gray leather interior. It's got 159,771 miles. Starts up perfectly. You can also put it over into manual mode and shift it by the buttons on the steering wheel. Down on the front, up is on the back. And your different traction settings. Alright, we're going to go on the headlights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. All the windows are automatic. And let's check out the exterior. Full power sunroof. Rear spoiler. Dual exhaust tips. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood. It's got a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. Variable valve timing. Two-person memory, chrome window trim, full power driver's seat, power lumbar, full power telescoping and tilting steering wheel. It's your fuel cap release, trunk, and let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Very nice sounding car. side curtain airbags. Very nice. Now let's check out the rest of the car. Nice padding. Very clean. It's a modest sized trunk, wide opening. Full power passenger seat with power lumbar. CD changer. Very nice car. Well everybody, I hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour on the 2001 Lexus GS300. Be sure to catch me next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care guys.